Here I have the starter from my 2002 Honda S2000. Basically, it's decided that it didn't want to start anymore, and it just sounds like a vacuum cleaner now. Um, so I took the starter out of the car, and now I have it hooked up for testing. Got a test lead on the ignition connector right there, and I've got this battery hooked up with the ground to the body of the starter motor, and the other one to the post on the solenoid. So let's see if it's the solenoid or if it's the motor. I would say that's the motor. It sounds like something's broken inside.